Hello, how are you doing? Are you enjoying at home? Have you understood the previous topic? Why are you looking so confused? Oh, now I know. You might be wondering why is teacher asking this many questions today? But that's what the topic for today, asking questions. We ask questions sometimes to know about people, things, animals, places, reason, time, right? See the examples here. First question is found with how, second question is found with have, third is made with are, and fourth question is formed with why. Today we are going to see two types of questions. One, using WH word, and second with helping verbs. See, here is the list of helping verbs. Am, is, are, was, were are to be verbs. Do, does, did, has, have, had, will, shall, can, could, etc. are auxiliary verbs. We can change the statements into questions with the help of these helping verbs. See, read these sentences here. Can you identify helping verbs in these sentences? I am intelligent. You have a pencil. He is late. Words highlighted with yellow color are helping verbs. Let's change these statements into questions with the help of these helping verbs. Questions formed with these helping verbs are also called yes-no questions. These questions can be answered with simple yes or no. We can turn the statements into questions in the following manner. Step 1 is to identify verb in the sentence. Helping verbs am, is, are, was, were. Step 2 is to put the verb before subject. Step 3, write subject after verb. Step 4, write rest of the words. And step 5 is to add question mark at the end. See, I am intelligent is a statement. It is changed to question by changing the place of am, helping verb. Am I intelligent? Am I intelligent is a question. Students, don't forget to write question mark at the end. See some more examples here. She was sick is a statement. Was is a helping verb. It is placed in the beginning in question. Was she sick? See the third. He is late. Helping verb is placed in the beginning in question. Is he late? And question mark is written at the end. Students, when the verb has more than one word, we put the first word before the subject. See these two examples here. He has seen his report card. Highlighted words are verbs. Has is placed in the beginning to form question. Has he seen his report card? We will come tomorrow morning. Will is placed in the beginning in question and will we come tomorrow morning? The second type of questions are formed with the help of WH question words. Why are they called WH questions? Because most of these question words start with WH. What, who, which, where, when, whom, whose. These all are question words. See the examples here. What is your name? Where do you play? Who teaches you maths? When is your class? How are you? These all are WH questions. Now, let's see the usage of all these question words one by one. First is who. Who is used when we want to know about people or person. It's never used to ask about things. Who is your favorite cricketer? Who are you? What is used to know about things and animals. What are you holding in your hand? What is lying on the table? When is used when we want to ask about time. When do you go to school? When is your birthday? Where is used to ask about place. Where did you go? Where do you stay? Question word which is used to ask about people and things when there is a choice to make. Which is your favorite fruit? Question word why is used when you want to know about reason. Why didn't you attend the class yesterday? Why are you late today? Question word how is used to ask about events and the way things are done. Examples are, how can you do this to me? How are you feeling today? So these all are question words. That's all in this lesson. Thank you for watching.